Welcome, this is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to continue our palm one reading. We have done the strumming and then the figure picking. Today we are going to look at Unimia Shimbineko by Master Kwabina Akwaboah. I'm going to explain the introduction and then the reading pattern of that powerful palm one reading he used in the song. So let's begin. The reading pattern we are going to play is at D major. So we are going to identify the second note, the third note, and then the fourth note of D major. So let's begin. If we are playing the D major scale, we can have D, E as the second note, F sharp as the third note, G as the fourth note, A as the fifth note, B as the sixth note, C sharp as the seventh note. Then we have our D. Let's do it again. We have D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. This is our D major scale, and we are going to play this rhythm using the third and then the fourth. This time you add the root of the second note. The second note is E. E. Okay, so you add. So the third note of D major, the third chord will be F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Put your third finger. Your third finger is at the third fret of the D string. Then your first finger is holding the second fret of the E, the B, and then the G string together. So we have F sharp minor. F sharp minor. Now, if this is F sharp minor, we have G major as our fourth note. G major as our fourth chord of D major scale. Put your third finger on the fifth fret. Look at it. Your third finger is at the fifth fret of the D string. Okay, and then your third finger is at the fifth fret of the D string. Your second finger is at the fourth fret on the G string, and then your first finger is holding the third fret of the E and then the B string together. So you have a shape like this. This is G major. This is G major. Okay. Today make any see a D major rhythm ni yebo mi na fa na we this time you the rain back home. Okay, so G major over here is our fa. This is our fa. F sharp minor is the mi, and then we have E minor. E minor to be the re. We will not play the full E minor. We will just play the note of the root of the E minor, and that is all. Okay, so now that we have identified the chords the chords, we are going to look at the introduction of the song. I'm going to play the introduction, and then after that I will explain it note to note. So let's begin. Subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification button if you have not subscribed. Let's continue. I'm going to play the introduction of the song, then break it down, then we tackle the rhythm together. So let's add some beats. Now, you've heard me playing the introduction, so let's take it one by one. It is very simple. Tell yourself it's very simple. Good. Now let's start with D. I'm using my first finger to do the picking. So if we are starting playing D major scale from do to do, from down to up. Okay, so do la ti fa mi. Let's take it again. Do la ti fa mi. Re mi do ti la. Then I have already taught this kind of lick. Okay, hammer on the D, play the D, and then you hammer on E. Okay, this time you are doing the second, you are holding the D with your second finger, and then you hammer with your fourth finger. Then you play the F sharp. Play it and let me see. Do re mi, do re mi, do re mi. Good. So do re mi do ti la. Do re mi do ti la. Then okay, do re mi ti la so. Then this is la, second finger is on la, and then my third finger is on the fa. So la fa so, la fa so re. Okay, la fa so re. Let's take that first part very slowly. Listen very carefully and look. Let's take that part again. That is the first part. Then the second part came. Mi do ti la so. Then re mi do ti la. Then you hammer. Then re mi fa so. Okay, re mi fa la. Re mi fa la. Re, mi, fa, la, so, re. Re, mi, fa, la, so, re. Again. Re, mi, fa, la, so, re. You can look at my right. I am using my thumb to play that re, mi, fa, la, so, re. Re, mi, fa, la, so, re. Re, mi, fa, la, so, re. Okay, so let us put the first and then the second part together with the metronome. I hope you have gotten it. Should I play it again? This time without the beat. Okay, very slowly for you. Okay. I hope this is okay. Take your time. Enyem pepper ho, enyem riketu. Mpanifo obi bi say. Enye dako na betumi atobo atwa asiofra ho. So, yesa ampafin bi siu. Nti wo de etobo ase na ebo no kakra. Me sense su bio. Why? Very good. Let us look at the rhythm. Let's look at the rhythm. Very simple. I have already fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi. Good. But this time, I have already taught you the finger picking. I'm picking these three strings: the B string, the G string, and then the D string. These are the only strings I am picking. So if I am at G major, I am picking the three strings. This time you can see that I have added the re, the root, that is E. I have added the E here. Okay, so let's take it again. Slowly this time. Good. So anya. Yeah, but say what to boss sha obinya. Enti yen hwe yen ka introduction on the rhythm no emom enwom no de yen to yen ka introduction ni enwom na yen hwa de. oh bad then na obo say on sana statistics the Philippines in kakra no. You'll be experiencing some a little pains in your fingers. So you stop and then you do a little bit stretching. Okay, you stop and then you do a little stretching. Do a little stretching. You're stretching kakra. Nye dakope ena yede chichire kumase. What you say? Kumase sha say na eti se obi akura kete so nye dakope. Nti ntobase no aye stretching or finger stretching so I'm reminding you, if you have not subscribed, subscribe now so that I'll be motivated to record more videos for you. Hit on the notification button to be notified anytime I upload a video, and then your comment is very, very important. Let me have your comment at the comment section. Let me hear you. If you don't understand anything, you can just call me. My number is on the screen now. You can call me so that we discuss your problem. You can share my videos to all your friends. Invite all your friends to come on board so that they will come and benefit this high life tutorials. I end here with today's lesson. We will come your way on your various screens with another beautiful high life guitar rhythm. That is Sichi. Very, very nice and interesting rhythm. So until then, meet you. Thank you for your audience.